Chef Vijay Soor. I am from Inchin's Bamboo Garden, the corporate chef. I am back with some super easy recipe of Inchin's Bamboo Garden chocolate sundae. So let's see what we have over here. To do the chocolate sundae, the first thing you need is any kind of brownie. Any store-bought brownie bites. You can have any kind of vanilla ice cream. You'll need some chocolate syrup, whipping cream, sliced almond and cherries. So first you take the chocolate syrup and pour it on the side while you are turning your glass. This is how your glass looks from the side. We are going to take one brownie bite, crush it, break it lightly, and we'll just put it inside, okay? Now you take an ice cream scoop. Always start using it on the side. Never ever scoop the ice cream from the middle. So make a nice scoop and then it goes inside slowly, okay? And then you put a little bit of chocolate syrup again. On top of the ice cream it goes. We'll take the other brownie bite and we repeat the process. So you put that inside. Now the next ice cream scoop, you have to make it a little bigger. Remove the scoop from the side and then you put it back again, okay? Again put the chocolate syrup. So to do the topping, whipping cream, and you hold it right on top and you just press this. So nice. Take your almond, just put it lightly on top. This is called a cherry on the top. Put the cherry. Wow! Now you've got a perfect chocolate sundae. Don't forget to enjoy. You and everybody else in your family.